and in today's video, we're taking a look at this twin pressure rice cooker from CUCKOO. Now, in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit about this pressure rice cooker and what you can expect when you get it. Now, this rice cooker actually has two different methods of cooking. You have your pressurized cooking, and then you have your non-pressurized cooking as well. And that's one really unique feature about this rice cooker, and very few rice cookers offer that feature. Now, you would want to go ahead and use the pressurized cooking if you're planning on making sticky rice. And if you want that really nice and fluffy rice, you'll go ahead and just use the non-pressurized cooking. Now, to go ahead and access the inside of this unit, we'll just go ahead and simply push this button, and this will open up the top right there. And as you can see right off the bat, we have really nice and high quality pieces here. You can see this is a really nice metal. It does have a nice shine to it. On the inside, we have a non-stick bowl here that does have all of the different measurements on the side there. Now, overall, I've been very impressed just with the overall components, just because they are really nice and high quality. The rice cooker itself has a really great build to it. The bowl feels really nice and sturdy, and like I said, it does have that non-stick surface, and even all the way down to the measuring cup, which really feels very strong and heavy duty. I'm very impressed with all of the different components of this rice cooker. Now, I've gone ahead and removed the bowl from the rice cooker, and as you can see here, we do have that non-stick surface on the inside, but on the outside, we actually have a stainless steel bowl here. You can see it's very high quality. And one thing that's great about the design of this bowl is it's really designed to evenly distribute the heat among the rice. So you don't have to worry about any kind of like hot spots with this bowl. It really does a great job at distributing that heat across the rice. Now, you can see here on the front, we actually have a lot of different menu options, and typically this is going to be your rice cooker, but they actually have a lot of other pre-built presets built into this, such as warming or reheating. You can do that right over here. You also have like auto clean, a bunch of different features that are built right in. Now, this is designed to cook a wide variety of rices, including veggie rice, scorched rice. They even have multigrain rice, white rice. A lot of different rices can be cooked in here. And they even built into the control unit a voice system, which actually has even 3 languages. It has Chinese, Korean, and English, and you can choose whichever of those you would prefer. Now, a few quick details I did want to mention. This is what the outlet looks like right here. And as you can see, you do have a good amount of length of cord there for a countertop appliance. And then on the right side here, you actually have a switch underneath that you'll go ahead and switch on or off. Now, when you're ready to begin cooking here, you actually have this dial at the top, which you can switch between high pressure or non-pressure just by simply turning that dial. And that is how you change this from a pressurized cooker to a non-pressurized cooker. And lastly, I just want to mention that CUCKOO is a well-known Korean brand that honestly has perfected the art of rice making. And this is a very, very high quality countertop appliance. And for that reason, I highly recommend it.